Switzerland relaxing summer storm in the most beautiful Swiss city. Flange 4K cinematic walk. Sound of distant thunder rolling over the mountains, gentle rain pattering on rooftops, footsteps on wet stone. In Switzerland, summer doesn't always mean endless sunshine. Sometimes it means the skies open in a warm, silver rain that washes the city clean and transforms it into a living watercolor painting. Today, we wander through one of Switzerland's most stunning cities, where the scent of wet stone, fresh bread, and alpine air mixes into something unforgettable. A gentle storm drapes its mist over the rooftops, turning narrow lanes into glistening rivers of light and wrapping the old town in a peaceful hush. The old town is alive, yet subdued. The rain softens the chatter of people into a quiet hum. Cobblestones glisten like polished glass, catching reflections of pastel facades and wrought iron balconies heavy with flowers. The rhythm of footsteps mingles with the gentle tap of raindrops on umbrellas. From open windows, the scent of freshly brewed coffee drifts into the street, mingling with the earthy perfume of rain on centuries-old stone. Along the riverfront, the water takes on a deep, emerald tone under the shifting stormlight. Above, storm clouds gather, their gray bellies brushing against the mountains that cradle the city. The surface of the river ripples with raindrops, and the distant peaks vanish momentarily into a soft, silvery mist. Every so often, a swan glides by, unbothered by the weather, leaving a delicate trail behind it. As we turn a corner, the resonant sound of church bells emerges from the fog. Their slow, deliberate toll marks the hour, a heartbeat for the city, while the mist curls around the bell tower like a silk scarf. The echoes carry through winding alleys, weaving the old and the present together in one timeless moment. Cafés and walkways. Beneath covered arcades, locals sit tucked away from the rain. They lean over steaming cups, speaking in low, warm voices, their laughter briefly escaping into the street before fading under the rhythm of the rain. A waiter in a crisp white apron moves gracefully between tables, balancing trays of pastries dusted with sugar, their scent drifting outward into the cool air. Above us, the wooden beams of the arcade creak softly as water drips from their edges. In the market square, the rain turns the paving stones into a patchwork of shimmering colors. Red and yellow market umbrellas bloom like flowers against the gray sky. The air is rich with the scent of baked bread, fresh berries, and rain-soaked herbs from nearby stalls. From a higher vantage point, the city skyline stretches before us, its spires piercing the clouds. A low rumble of thunder rolls across the mountains, echoing through the valley like an ancient drum. Raindrops blur the outlines of the distant hills, creating a soft, dreamlike horizon. The light shifts every moment, painting the scene in tones of pewter, silver, and gold. Then, as suddenly as it began, the storm begins to fade. The rain slows to a whisper and the clouds begin to part. A shaft of golden evening light breaks through, spilling across rooftops and turning every drop of water into a tiny jewel. The air feels fresher, as if the city itself has taken a deep breath. By nightfall, the city is a mirror of lights. Cafe windows glow amber, their light spilling across slick streets in shimmering ribbons. The gentle splash of footsteps, the clink of glasses inside, and the faint sound of a street musician's guitar fill the cool night air. The storm has passed, but it has left behind a magic that lingers, a reminder that even the rain can be beautiful. Many thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comments, subscribe,